Good day everyone! I'm Allen Renz Santos Evasco, 4th year criminology student from South 1. Today, I will discuss or I will present to you the different extinguishing methods of fire. But before we start, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba ang fire. So, what is fire? Fire or diffusion flame process is a rapid oxidation process, a chemical reaction resulting in the evolution of light and heat in varying intensities. In general, fire occurs only in gas phase. Now, let us find out how fire occurs. Fire occurs with the interaction of the fire triangle, which identifies the three needed components of fire, such as heat, oxygen, and fuel, wherein the heat transferred to air, which is the oxygen, and heat also transfer to the fuel. And with that, if these three components are present, it will create a fire. In short, fire will burn until one or more of the components are removed, or hindi mawawala ang apoy hanggat walang tinatanggal na kahit isa sa mga components. So now, I will demonstrate to you the different extinguishing methods of fire. So let's go! Let's go! So first is cooling. Cooling is one of the extinguishing method of fire by reducing the temperature. This method directly attacks the heat side of the fire triangle. So the example of this is application of the water to the fire. So tara, gawin natin. Since the water absorbs the heat from fire, that is how fire extinguish. Ngunit, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay ginagamit ang method na to. Because this method is generally used for Class A fire only, such as plastics, fabrics, papers, woods, and etc. Next is smothering. In this extinguishing method of fire, the fire will be extinguished by separating or blocking the oxygen supply from fire. The example of this is covering the fire with wet clothes. So tara, gawin natin. So, when the fire covered with wet clothes, tingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari. Yan. So, na-block na natin ang oxygen. Tara, tingnan natin. Yan. The fire is extinguished. This is the another example of smothering. So, sindihan natin ang kandila. Sindihan natin ang kandila. Ayan. Then, ibablock natin ang oxygen sa pamamagitan ng pagtakip ng glass. So, ayan. Hintayin lang natin. Ayan. Hintayin natin kung paano siya mamamatay. Then, yan. Namatay na. Wala na siyang apoy. Next is starvation. In this extinguishing method of fire, fire will be extinguished by removing the fuel. This is the example of starvation. Tara, gawin natin. So, nakikita niyo yung apoy. Ayan, so iwalay lang natin yung mga fuel niya, which is yung mga kahoy. Ayan. Pagka iniwalay natin yan, iwalay-hulay lang natin yan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, nawala na ang apoy. This is called starvation. When we remove the fuel, the fire will extinguish. And that's all for today. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you and God bless us all.